Caspar Beamish Wooden Railway, Episode 12. Around the railway in 89 seconds. One day, Spencer was puffing along the track when he pulled up beside Ryan. "Get out of my way, you silly purple tank engine," said Spencer. "Oh, fine," said Ryan. "That silly purple tank engines like him should know better," said Spencer, and he puffed away snootily. But later that day, he met Ryan again at the docks. "Oh, you again," said Spencer. "Get out of my way!" And he banged Ryan hard, so hard that he fell over on his side. "Oh dear," said Ryan. When he was put back on the track, he was very cross. "Spencer, what? I am very cross with you, and to make it up, I'm giving you a challenge." "Oh, really?" said Spencer. "What is the challenge going to be?" "Well, I want you to race around the whole island in less than 30 seconds. "What?" said Spencer. "There's no way I can do that." Well, in my thinking," said Ryan, "since you're such a fast engine, I think you can do it." "Oh, fine," said Spencer, and he puffed away. Ryan chuckled. "Ha, he said. "Now that'll teach Spencer," he said, and he puffed away. He started at the farthest part of the island. Bulstrode gave the all-clear signal. "Ready, steady, go!" shouted Murdoch, and Spencer raced out of the yard. He raced all around the island. His finishing line was at the docks. "Whoa," said Spencer, "I've never gone this fast before." "Slow down," said his driver. Oh no," said Spencer. "Whoa! No! Oh dear, he said. "I can't stop. Whoa. But just then he heard a flash of lightning. "Shh! Oh dear," said Spencer, "there's a storm coming. Oh my gosh, I'm in such big trouble now. Whoa, no. And when he went around the sharp bend, he lost his tender on the way. The coupling had snapped. Spencer was now out of control. "Whoa," he said. "Help, I can't stop." And then it happened. His front was crunched off the rails and he went everywhere, and he didn't stop until he came to Tidmouth Sheds, and he crashed into Emily. "Hey," said Emily, "what was that for?" "Oh, I'm sorry," said Spencer. When Ryan had heard about it, he chuckled. "Well, that would teach Spencer, because I can see him all the way over from here, and he had definitely learned his lesson, and that is true. And I must say that he didn't get to the docks, but he did roam around Sodor in 89 seconds, and that must be his goal." And Ryan was right.